Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this herringbone B. Make cast on with light color. I make 35, or you can do multiple of 8 plus 3, so you can make smaller project or bigger project. Next row will be prep row with still light color. It's all knit. Row number 1. This is right side and you're using dark color next to rows. Knit 1 and within bracket you have to repeat. Knit 2, then slip 1 purlwise and knit 3. Then next 2 will be slip purlwise, but you don't have to yarn over, just slip. This 8 stitches you have to repeat until last 2 stitch. Slip 2, then here comes last 2 stitch. It says knit 2, so you have to knit 2. That's end of row 1. Row 2, wrong side. Wrong side method is always same, just a different color of yarn. The first stitch and last stitch always knit. Then rest of them are purl except slip stitch. So knit 1, then yarn over and purl. Then next to slip stitch, so you still have to slip and slip. Then purl. Then slip stitch, then purl. You keep doing this until last 1 stitch. Here comes last stitch of row 2. There you go, knit 1, end. You have to remember this wrong side method. Row 3, you have to change the color. Now it's light color, and from now on you have to follow my instruction. And this design, you knit from bottom to top and 1 to 16. So see you at row 16. Just follow my instruction. I just finished row 16. So if it's only one time, you can't really see the design. So at least 2-3 times you should repeat. Otherwise you can't really see the design. And I did 3 times. If you do 3 times, you can see better design. Then it's almost finished. I did all knit for next 2 rows. but it's really depend on your project. Then after all knit, cast off. That's about it. Enjoy!